Hello, this is Kim Huat, Singapore's #1 Chinese New Year fan. Since Chinese New Year is coming, I thought I would share with you how to stash your cash. Who don't like Louis, right? Some people told me I should do the following Chinese New Year customs to Huat. 1. Stash your cash by banking in your money on Li Chun. But Kim Huat don't like to queue leh. Even for Ba Kwa or Michi Lim food, I also don't queue. Got easier thing to do or not? Hey, I ask you, Li Chun, is it Chun-Li's sister? You know the Street Fighter that Chun-Li? 2. Stash only new notes in ang paos. Kim Huat loves to feel new money. But if we only use new notes, the old notes how? Not very environment leh. Where we heard the feeling of the old note, then they feel left out how? 3. Stash your cash into your piggy bank on the 15th day of the Chinese New Year. Kim Huat like this idea very much, but the hole so small, how to stash? Kim Huat sure get a lot of ang paos one. One piggy bank where got enough? But wait, Kim Huat got one more way to Huat. I can stash all my ang pao into a UOB Stash account and earn up to 1% per annum. That is 15 times more than a normal savings account that only gives 0.05% per annum. Go to the link in the description to sign up or find out more. Kim Huat is always interested in earning more interest. Put your money in a UOB Stash account and voila!